Hi everyone. In today's session, we are going to learn that how we can create a user in the manage user task. So manage user task is basically a HCM task, but yeah, we need an employee for a company to run. We need some contingent worker or some worker to for a company to run. So basically it's a common task that is spread across the financials, procurement, human capital management, and so on. Because without defining an employee, we cannot proceed ahead within an enterprise or an organization. So let us just begin. So let me just navigate to setup and task, setup and maintenance. In setup and maintenance, let me quickly go to the global search. So click on search, type in manage users. So here is my task, manage users. Meanwhile, let me duplicate this tab as well. So if there is some user which already exists with us in the system, then we can type in the name of that user here, and that will show us the results. But yeah, here we are going to create a new user. So let me I will need to go to this plus sign. So let me just click on this plus sign. So here, let me just create a user with the name. First name is Rahul. So let me take any random email ID. So here, let me just take an email ID xyz dot. So this is my hire date. So you can see that hire date is for today, but I can select the hire date as a back date as well. So if I select it here like previous date, then it will not have any effect on the system. So if there is any middle name, there is any title to it, so Doctor, Miss, Mr. So I can define accordingly. And now user details. So it want me to create a user in the system against this person. So let me just select it here as, so Rah.Kumar. I want this to be my user in the system, uh, to, uh, to be created as a user in the system. And if there is already a user which exists, and so it also facilitates us to link to that user using this functionality. What I will do is that I will go to link user account. I will click on this chain sign. This will get enabled, and accordingly I can search for that user and I can populate the user here. So let me just select the person type. So person type here for me is employee. Now for that employee, I just need to give the name of the legal employer of that employee. So legal entity name and then the business unit. And once I will save it, I will not be able to change the legal employer, but yeah, I can change the business unit. So let me just select here the legal employer as, let me just select this UK legal entity. So that is preceded in the system because we are using the vision one. And then the business unit, let me just check what all business units that are being created under it. So let me just take it, let me just take this Argentina business unit. So department, location, mail, stop, job, I don't need to give in these details here. So so here you see this is the roles, this is the role request. So auto provision roles, let me just click on this one. It is taking longer time than usual to load, but anyway, we will have to wait. So meanwhile, let me just show you what I wanted to show you. So if I go to the tools security console, so here in security console I will go to the users work area, and now I will check the user which I defined there. So that does that user exist here? So let me just select it. Let me just type in here as rah dot kumar. So let me just click on search button here. Hopefully I will not find any result. You guys can see that there is no result that are being populated against this username. Let me just come in. So nothing happened here. So let me just click on save and close. Let this complete. Just wait, it is taking longer than usual to load. I think today server might be down. Oh, so in the background, what has happened till the time it was saving and closing it? So it has created a user here. So earlier we were searching against this user, but we were not able to find anything. So you can verify here the email ID xyz@gmail.com and the username. So these are the same details which we had created earlier. So let me just check. Oh, so this is done now. So let me just now search for this person which I just created. So the name was Rahul. So click on search. So here you can see the Kumar, Rahul xyz@gmail.com. So this is our user created, and this is how we can see our user. So here, if I want to assign some roles to this particular user, then also that can be done. But yeah, I won't think there is any requirement now. That we will cover in the next session. So then after that, we will give him the security access, the data access also. So we'll show you that how data access works in a system. So that is all for this session. Thank you.